Tonight's weather, brought to you by Alfred Smallwood from Uncle Alfred's Men's Group. And Youi, we get you.
Good evening. Well, a cloudy and mild start to the week. Some deceptively powerful surf conditions over the next couple of days. And we're also expecting some rain later this week too. I'll have more in just a moment. Tonight's viewer photo. Now, this is thanks to Peter Marshall, a shot of the crystal clear waters of Noosa National Park, taken on a much clearer day. It's certainly a beautiful part of our region. If you have a photo you would like to share, you can email weather@winqld.com.au or you can send it to me on Twitter. Temperatures today, now Rainbow Beach got down to 17 degrees, 17 the minimum for Talara. Gympie dropping to 10 degrees, Noosa 22 was the top today, the same for Yamundi. Nambour dropping to 12 degrees this morning, Maroochydore a top of 22 degrees, 5 for Jimna this morning, Maleny reaching 23 degrees, 21 the top for Beerburrum, and Caloundra reaching 22 degrees. Checking the charts, there's cloud over western and southern Queensland with a low pressure trough. We're seeing patchy light rain. There's low cloud along the coast as well with moist onshore winds triggering a few showers. There's a high that's in the Tasman that extends a ridge across Queensland. A surface trough over the southwest is moving east. It'll move into eastern Queensland tomorrow. Warmer air will lie across the state ahead of the trough and cooler air in its wake. So tomorrow, fine and mostly sunny. That's in the north. High cloud over southern Queensland though, with some light patchy rain. Temperatures will be well above the July average for much of the state and cooler for the southwest. Also deceptively powerful surf conditions developing for southern beaches. Locally tomorrow, partly cloudy. Winds will be north to northwesterly, reaching 20 kilometres per hour. The Sunshine Coast heading for a top of 25 degrees. Gympie getting down to 11 in the morning, and Nambour heading for a top of 25 degrees as well. Moving along to the coastal waters, north to northwesterly winds 10 to 15 knots, reaching up to 20 knots. That's offshore south of Maroochydore in the evening. Seas around 1 metre, 1.5 offshore south of Maroochydore by the early evening. And a swell east to southeasterly swell, I should say, to 1.5 metres inshore, 2 metres offshore. Here's the tidal diary. Noosa's low tide, we're expecting that around 10 to 8 in the morning. Maroochydore, that high tide sitting at around 20 to 3 tomorrow afternoon. You can expect Caloundra's low tide just before 8 o'clock in the morning. On our beaches for a wave, try the Kiwana Pocket or Sunshine Beach tomorrow. Sunrise, we're expecting that at 6:36, sunset 11 minutes past. And here's the outlook for the next 7 days. 25, mostly sunny tomorrow. Wednesday, plenty of sunshine, heading for a top of only 20 degrees though. 18, the top for Thursday and Friday. We're also expecting rain at times. And on the weekend, we're expecting rain as well. 19 for Saturday, 20 for Sunday. And that rain could continue into Monday at this stage. Paul and Dave.
Corinne, thank you very much for that.
Before we go, remember you can follow the team on Facebook and Twitter.
Thanks for choosing Win News for your local news. The project is next. We'll see you tomorrow night at 6. Good night.
Good night.
This has been a Win News presentation. Win News, Regional Australia's #1 news source.